Hello mga best, that is going to be our salmon sinigang. Okay, so chill ka lang. Ayan, naka-prepare na tayo. We have our sile, sitaw, eggplant, and ayan, onions. And tomato. And now, ito ang ating salmon. Wow! Siyempre, ang ating salmon ay fresh. Char. Frozen. Pero dahil yan ang gagawin natin salmon sinigang. Wow, that's our salmon. That's our Norwegian salmon. Now, let's put our salmon here. Okay. Now, let's put yan. That will be our salmonator. Okay? And the rest is gagawin kong salmon sashimi. And that's it. Wow, amazing. So let's cool our meal within the next few minutes, okay? Yeah. We're salmon sinigang and salmon. Yeah. So dahil yan sa ating craving talaga, ang craving natin is salmon. So, meron tayong salmon na sinigang and then salmon sashimi. Diba? Salmon sashimi. So, there you go, guys. Enjoy. Delicious.